Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a blockchain API key. First, select a reputable blockchain API service provider that meets your project's needs. Next, you'll need to create an account on their platform. This usually involves providing an email address and setting a strong password. Remember to verify your account, often through an email confirmation, to ensure full access and security. Once your account is set up, log in and find the API section, usually labeled API Keys or Developer Settings. Here, you'll see an option to generate a new API key. Click this button and the platform will provide you with a unique string of characters. This is your API key. Make sure to copy it immediately and store it in a secure location. It's crucial to understand the usage policies and rate limits associated with your API key. Most providers have restrictions on the number of requests you can make per second or day. Always keep your API key confidential. Never embed it directly in client-side code. Regularly monitoring its activity helps prevent unauthorized use and ensures smooth operation of your applications. With your API key secured, the next step is to integrate it into your application's code. Follow the provider's documentation for specific instructions on how to authenticate your requests. Thoroughly test your API calls to confirm everything is working as expected and to troubleshoot any issues. For more helpful tools and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below. Optimizing your API usage can significantly improve your application's performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.